Hey there, and welcome. So, you've been hearing all this talk about AI, and you're curious, but maybe you're not quite sure where to begin. Well, I'm so glad you're here. We're going to break it all down and learn how to have your very first chat with an AI.
It's totally normal to feel that way. You see it everywhere, and it sounds so powerful and maybe even a little intimidating. Like, what are you supposed to say to it? That's a super common feeling.
But you are in exactly the right spot. We're going to walk through this step by step, together. And just so you know, there are no silly questions here. The whole point is to just get comfortable, experiment, and honestly, have a little bit of fun with it. Okay, ready to dive in? To get started, there's really only one simple idea you need to wrap your head around. Seriously, it's the key to, well, everything else.
And that big idea is something called a prompt. Now, I know that might sound a little technical, but I promise you it's not. A prompt is just your instruction. It's how you kick off the conversation. It's you saying, hey AI, here's what I'm thinking about. The absolute best way to think about it is like giving a friend directions to your house, right? If you just say, oh, I live somewhere on the east side, they're probably never going to find it. But if you tell them the street address, a few landmarks, and where they can park, they'll get there no problem. It's the exact same idea with AI. Clearer instructions get you better results.
And that leads us perfectly into our very first tip, which is be specific. This is all about telling the AI exactly what you're looking for.
So let's look at an example. Instead of something really vague like, write a bio for me, which could mean anything, check out the difference when you get specific. Write a 3-sentence professional bio for my LinkedIn profile, and then you add more detail. I'm a freelance graphic designer. Keep the tone confident but approachable. See? Now the AI has a clear target to aim for.
So why does that work so much better? Well, you gave it guardrails. You didn't just ask for a bio, you specified the format, you told it the length, just 3 sentences, you explained the audience was for LinkedIn, and you even set the tone. It's a total game changer. Okay, on to our second tip. And this one builds right on top of being specific. It's all about adding your context. Just remember, the AI has no idea who you are, so giving it a little background info helps a ton. For example, asking explain investing to me is fine, but you're probably going to get a really dry textbook answer. Now look what happens when you add your context. Explain investing to me like I'm a 30-year-old who has never invested before and feels intimidated by financial jargon. Wow, all of a sudden the AI understands where you're coming from and it can tailor its answer just for you.
And this really is the key, isn't it? Adding your own personal context is what turns a generic, one-size-fits-all answer into something that actually fits your life. It makes the conversation about you.
All right, time for our third and final tip. And honestly, this is one of the most powerful and fun tricks in the book. You need to give the AI a job. Just look at how one tiny little phrase changes everything here. Instead of just saying, help me write a response, you start with, act as a friendly customer service rep. By giving the AI a role, you're telling it how to think and the kind of voice it should use.
And the best part is, there's a super simple formula for this. You just start with those magic words, act as a. Then you name the role. It could be a personal trainer, a travel agent, an expert chef, anything. And then you make your request. It's that easy.
Okay, so we've covered a good bit of ground pretty quickly. Let's just pull it all together into a simple takeaway. Think of these as the 3 secret ingredients for having a great conversation with AI.
You don't have to memorize a bunch of complicated rules. It really just comes down to these 3 things. Just 3. So let's recap them one more time. The 3 ingredients are number 1, specific details, number 2, your personal context, and number 3, giving the AI a clear role. Even if you only use 1 or 2 of these, I promise you, you will see a huge difference in your results. And please, if you remember anything today, remember this. You cannot break it. I'm serious. It's a safe space to just play around and experiment. There's no wrong button to push. The goal isn't to be perfect, it's just to get started and see what happens.
So that really only leaves one question, doesn't it? Now that you've got the tools, what's the first thing you're going to ask?